Hey everyone, this is filler number 4 for the chainsaw from Mr. Andy Hodge. Spot number 1 gets 5 spots on the main, 10 at 5. I'm going to copy our list, go live, 659, paste our list, roll our dice, we need a 4 higher, 659, and we got a 4, 659, 4 times. 10 items on the list, that's 1, 2, and 3. 10 items on the list, Danny's on top, Mr. Chris is on the bottom, randomized 3 times, dice called for a 4, 659, final time, good luck everyone. Mr. Chris Walters, spot number 5. 10 items on the list, randomized 4 times, dice called for a 4. Congrats Mr. Chris. We are done. 7 p.m. Thanks everyone.